All right, so now we are going to start taking a look at percent. And the first thing we want to know is that percent literally means per 100. Ooh, not 100 degrees, per 100. Okay, that's what percent means. So the percent sign indicates 1 out of 100. So for example, 5% would be 5 per 100 or 5 over 100. 23% would be 23 out of 100. Pay attention to the next two. Okay. 23.3% is 23.3 over 100. But in manufacturing, you don't want to leave a decimal in the numerator. So you'd slide this one to the right, meaning you have to add another zero. So it's technically 233 out of 1,000. Okay. Same thing with 0.75%. Okay. 3/4 is 0.75. So we could say this is 0.75 out of 100. But again, can't leave a percent. So move this twice, add two zeros, meaning we have 75 out of 10,000. Okay. Expressing decimal fractions as percents. If you want to take decimal fractions and change them to percents, you multiply the decimal fraction by 100 and insert the percent sign. So 0.25 times 100 would give you 25. So 0.25 is 25%. Or you can just move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Okay, so if we had 0.375, you can multiply it by 100, or you can just say you're going to move it twice to the right, meaning you have 37.5%. Either method will work. Okay. And last but not least, if you want to express common fractions as mixed numbers as percents, okay, to express a common fraction or mixed number as a decimal fraction, then express the decimal fraction as a common fraction. So again, the steps are express the common fraction or mixed number as a decimal fraction, then express the decimal fraction as a common fraction. So for example, if we have 1/8, you would divide them in your calculator and you'd get 0.125. But if you want to change that to a percent, you got to slide it 2 times, meaning you have 12.5%. For 4 3/16, okay, leave the 4 as it is. Only find the decimal for 3/16, which is where you're going to get your 0.1875. And then we would slide that twice to give us our 418.75%.